Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up the Claude API in Python step by step. So if you want to use Claude inside your own applications for the tasks like generating the text, answering the questions, or building AI tools, this simple setup guide is going to help you get started. So first of all, you will need to install the required Python library. Claude's API can be accessed using the official Python package. So you need to open your terminal or the command prompt and then simply install the library using pip. The package provides the tools needed to communicate with the Claude from your Python program. Once the installation is completed, the next step is importing the library and creating a client. Inside Python script, simply import the library and create a client object. When creating a client, you will need to provide your API key, which you can get from the Anthropic developers dashboard. The client acts as the connection between your Python code and the Claude API. So you can send your first message to Claude. To do this, you just have to basically create a request where you specify the model that you want to use, define the maximum number of tokens for the response, and provide the message that you want to send. Your message is usually written on a list format that includes the role and the content. The role is typically set to the user because the request is coming from you. For example, you might send a prompt asking Claude to explain a concept or answer a question. After sending the request, the API returns a response object. This response contains Claude's generated answer. The text is usually inside the content section of the response, so you simply access that value and print it to the console. Once everything is set up, your script will follow a simple flow. Import the library, create the client, send the message, and then print the response. You can then modify the prompt to ask Claude different questions, or you can use it in your own applications. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.